didn't know we were going to have Batman come today.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. A wing set.
What's this?
Nutcracker. Yeah.
It's the 8.
How much is your little calculator?
Oh, 25 cents.
Oh, sure, I'll take that.
I'm very reasonable.
That's a deal. There you go. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, it's getting there.
Hi. I like your shirt.
Say thank you.
And your shoes. You like Batman? I thought you were getting angry. What did you call?
Now you have.
This is marked at 15. Would you take 10?
That's fine.
10. Sure.
I need that sticker.
Sure thing. There you go.
Just change that to 10 there then. Okay.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
I didn't know we were going to have Batman come today.
Batman.
Man,
Good job.
going.
Those. How much do you have on these things? These little boxes of things.
That no tweeze,
Yeah.
50 cents.
50 cents. Okay.
I used to work at Kenra.
Oh, really?
They manufacture professional hair and skincare products.
Gotcha.
And that was just a micro tweeze. What you do is you warm it up. You test it on your arm or something because, you know, where I live. And they used to use a little wood paddle, but, you know, a toothpick or something, and you rub it with the hair, and then you peel it off against it. Yeah, you just rub it with the hair, and you off, and it's gone. It'll. If you've got somebody that's got a good steady arm, you know, you want it warm enough to be liquid enough to go where you want it, because if it's not, it gets real tacky, you know. But
So,
I'm sorry.
got 11 of them, so I'll supply them all.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 550, but there's 6.
Yeah.
Good enough.
You want the
Nah, don't worry about it. I'll just lose it.
Yep.
What?
Can I touch this doggy?
I don't know. We'll have to see in a second, okay? Here, give me your hand.
They got a great big fossil first. But fossil. Fossil. F-O-S-S-I-L. You might be thinking a little baby dog. Yes. Where is the dog? The reason I asked is they got this display box with a strap on it. You're right. It's right for its house now. I had it in a box and I didn't. That won't fit either. Oh, sure. Yeah.
I like after I had them feel like
So we just set it in our freezer. We didn't have a choice. She's almost here.
Do you mind if I start a little pile somewhere? I found a few things. Sure, sure. Is that like a lava lamp or something? Like a...
Yeah, I could plug it in for you.
Oh, I trust you. If it works.
Okay.
This is pretty cool looking. All right.
I think she'll want this too, yeah? That is cute. That's a little cute.
$71.
Oh my goodness. What are you doing?
There you go. Thank you. All right, guys, so we're back at the house. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the best weekend of yard sales. We went out Friday and Saturday. The footage you just saw was from Friday. I thought about making just one big long video, but I think I'm just gonna split them up and do Friday and then do Saturday in a couple days or so, because, you know, when you have a YouTube channel, you have to think about things like audience retention and all that boring crap. So this is the first day. This is Friday. I think both days we picked up enough that it made it worth it. It's just the sales were spread out and sparse and just not that great. But like I said, we found a few good things. So let me go ahead and show you what we picked up on Friday. First thing, I don't think I filmed this. It's a couple plug-and-play games of SpongeBob and an Activision. They were $1 a piece. That was all I got from that sale. I don't know what, 15, 20 bucks lotted up. Who knows? But that was the first sale, $1 a piece. Second sale, this little bag of calculators. It was 25 cents. There's like 3 calculators in there. Probably shouldn't have picked this up. It's not really worth a lot, but I felt like I wasn't finding much and I was starting to get scared. So I got it for $1 and it'll probably end up in a Goodwill box. Live and learn. Then I found this Ring keypad for the Ring alarm system. Brand new, sealed. It was marked at 15 bucks. I offered them 10. It sells for like 35 brand new. So after fees and shipping, I'll probably double up that 10 bucks. Not my favorite kind of flip, but that's what I got. So 10 bucks into like 35 shipped. This was one of the better finds of the day. It's these little boxes of something called micro tweez. There's like 4 big boxes and 7 small boxes. Paid 50 cents a piece per box. I think I paid a little extra because I didn't want the quarters in my pocket. And it looks like these bigger boxes sell for around 15, 16 bucks, and the smaller boxes sell for around 7 bucks. I myself don't feel like nickel and diamond, that kind of thing. So I'll probably lot them up like 2 big boxes and 3 small ones for like 35 or something. Won't make quite as much money, but I'll get them sold quicker and I'll save on shipping that way too. So not bad for 6 bucks into maybe 70 plus shipping, hopefully. The last sale, you probably saw me, I paid $71 there. A lot of that stuff was for the house. Sarah picked out some stuff for the kitchen. Kids got a few things. So it wasn't all for resale. And I even bought myself a couple things, which I never do at yard sales, but I thought this orange juice lava lamp was really cool for 5 bucks. So I bought that just to put out here in the garage somewhere. I think that's pretty dope looking. The other thing I bought for myself, recently you probably saw that I got Sarah a little desk air conditioner called Arctic Air. And I think I paid like 40 bucks at Walmart for it. And I was going to buy myself one too because it works pretty good. They had one for 5 bucks at their yard sale. So even though I'm not making money on it, I saved 35 by buying this. So definitely a cool little find, an Arctic air conditioner. I got this little aroma diffuser made by someone called Puzhin or Puzhin. I'm not sure how to say it. But it looked like it had pretty good comps on it. I paid 5 bucks for this also. I think I saw one sell new for like 90. So this one's used, of course, so it'll sell for a lot less than that. But even if it doesn't work after I test it, I saw that the power cord itself has some pretty good comps. So I don't think I'm going to lose money at all on this, even if there's something wrong with the diffuser. The power cord can be sold for 15, 16, 17 bucks. So not bad, I guess. The last thing I picked up was something I normally wouldn't even look twice at. It's a little stereo, and they wanted $10 for it. Back in my pawn shop days, we would mark these at $14.99 and would be lucky to get it maybe 8 or 10 bucks when all was said and done. But the reason I grabbed it was because I saw back in the aux port mixed in with the cables, this was plugged into it. And this is a Google Chromecast Audio, which for some reason right now is selling used for like 50 to 60 bucks. And I'm not exactly sure what a Chromecast Audio is. I assume it's probably like an Alexa input where it just streams audio from Google Music and you plug it into an aux port on a stereo or some speakers or something like that. I don't really care what it does or why it does it, but I like that it's worth 50 to 60 bucks used because it's super light and it looks like it has a really good sell-through rate. So It may be inflated right now for some reason. I don't know. Maybe they're just out of them. So I'm going to hurry up and sell it because whatever the reason, I don't want to miss out on that gravy. You know what I'm saying? I need them 20s in my pocket. But that's what I found, guys. Not a huge haul, but it's always fun going yard selling, especially when I got the family with me. And if you tune back in a couple days, I'll have another garage sale video for you, and it's another little interesting haul. So thank you, as always, so much for watching this video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.